super again, we close the deal with a plus. Wow, this is a super cool result. Hi friends, I'm really glad to see you on my YouTube channel again, and everyone call me a great trader, and today I'll show you why I have this high title. And today I'll start my trading with $5 and I want to increase it from scratch and earn about $1,000. So as you can see, I have already selected the currency pairs and I want to start my trading session here. I'll open a deal for a raise. According to my strategy, I want to show that the price has reached the support level from which it's going to increase. We also see an arrow formed on the Fractal indicator, which tells us that it's worth going up. Well, it was a perfect deal, look at it. The strategy works out perfectly. We are great fellows and immediately in the black. Let's move on another pair. And I'm going to make even more money here. Yes, I have such a small initial account. I only had $5, but now I'm going to invest. I will earn more and more money here in small steps. Today I use the RSI, Zig Zag and Fractal indicators. We need them because we use a strategy with minimal risk. At this point I want to open a deal for a decrease because Fractal signals a decrease in price. Well, we had a great fight and you can see that here I managed to get my profit from a very small price fluctuation. And here this is a key aspect of binary options trading. Because here you don't get your profit from price changes. Your profit doesn't depend on the changes between the entry point and the closing time. You can find all this information in my Telegram channel, where I not only conduct trading but I also tell you how to use Quotex and how to work with the binary options in general. The only thing you should do is to follow a link in the description and write me in a private messages. So let's continue our trading. At this point I open a deal for a decrease. Here the price reaches the resistance level, which tells us about a further decrease in the price. And also, according to the RSI, the line begins to perform its reversal, which tells us about the price drop. Awesome! In fact, the psychology of our foreign exchange market is no different from any another. Whether you trade fruits or stocks or trade currency pairs, there is no difference. Greed, fear, anxiety, and excitement can contribute to the development of market psychology. And you need to understand how these feelings work. As you can see, our deal is closing in a plus. It's just a great result, but we do not stand still and continue. Now, I'd like to open a short trade. Here we can see a very strong downward movement. This tells us that the price will go down. You know, the traditional financial theory assumes that prices were always based on rational considerations and couldn't explain the irrational effects of market psychology. And understanding market psychology is a powerful force, and it may or may not be justified by any specific fundamental principles or events. But here, when dealing with currency pairs, we can even predict price movements using technical analysis. Well, all the deals in a row are profitable. That's why I think this strategy really works, and of course I recommend you to try it. You can always find many other strategies in my Telegram channel, which I developed myself, and you can see how it works for yourself. And you and I continue. I'm opening a down deal again. The RSI doesn't stop showing us a decline. We also see the resistance level, from which the price goes down. And our deal worked out great, and don't want to stop there. Now I'm alleviating the picture because this is a trading session and I'll show you how to use this strategy and make money. Do you see this resistance level? This tells us about the price reduction. There is still a downward trend. I also want to tell you that it's very important to trade on someone's signals. If you don't have enough knowledge of technical analysis, you can trade on someone's signals. Why not? And it's also important to analyze the situation. It was an exciting entry point, and I think I'm very good at doubling sums. As you can see, I have managed to double my initial investment, and I want to do the same with another currency pair. Today we have some kind of day of downside deals. Now I'm also opening a downside deal because the RSI didn't reach the support level, and besides the price turned around and went down. According to the Fractal indicator, we see that the arrow also indicates a decrease. Great, another successful deal, do you see? Deal after deal is going well and I really like my result. But I can't stop there because I know my goal is at least $1,000 and I will do it. So guys, I believe in you, nothing is impossible. At this point, I open a deal to increase, and finally the RSI line began to perform its reversal. The price has reached the support level, which tells us that the price is going up. All successful transactions are not as simple as they may seem at first glance. It's not easy for everyone to continue profitable trading. Sometimes you need to be prepared for a drop in profits. Fantastic, just look at my balance sheet. After all, we started with only $5. Trust me, if you trade on my signals every day, you will repeat my success. And it's an ideal way for those who don't have enough knowledge or who is new in this area. Just follow the link that below this video in the description and become the part of my community. Now let's continue trading. Now I'm opening the deal down. The price has reached a resistance level from which there will be a further rebound. Super again, we close the deal with a plus, and you notice that I managed everything. Is it time to stay in profit? You can ask me, Ashley, how do you manage to stay in profit? Why are all trades profitable? And I will tell you that my trades are generally profitable because I adhere to the rules of management and of course technical analysis. And we'll look further. Let me believe a different situation because I want to invest a lot. I like what we see on the chart. I see that the price is going down. It has reached the resistance level and will push off. Wow, this is a super cool result. We have $2,809 on our balance sheet, and you can do the same. To make it clear to you, this is the approximate amount of money that we earned with you in 20 minutes. Just imagine, this is what I like the most about binary options trading. And if you want to do the same, just follow my Telegram channel. You can find the link in the description below this video. And also, if you still have any questions, you can leave them in the comments and I will answer all of them. I don't mind sharing my experience in trading. I'm really happy to take you to the world of trading and help you to earn your money. So have a nice day. Bye bye.